know, in the south it doesn't really snow that often, but when it does, as I've mentioned in some of my other videos, it is quite the event. Oh! A hole right there. But this is the most snow, at least this far south, that I've seen in quite a while. I think we had about this much up in the mountains back when I was in college, but I don't know. We probably got close to 6 inches at places here. This is pretty nuts. What's she smell? Is there a squirrel up there? Yeah. We've been working on Cleo, learning how to tree squirrels and stuff so we can get some more squirrel meat. It's I think it's like, but oh goodness. Yeah, be careful here. I do not have snowshoes. I just have my hunting boots on here. So yeah, I just thought I'd take you guys out here with us today. Have a little have some chill snow day vibes. So and then we'll show you the picture that I take at the end. Out here trying to practice my photography skills. So yeah, enjoy. Careful, Cleo. Don't get your feet wet. What is it, girl? There she goes. Got this lantern for Christmas, and I haven't been able to try it out camping yet, but I thought it looked really cool, so I thought this would be a cool picture. And I'm trying out my beanbag mount I made in my last video. I was taking that picture for like 5 minutes. My bag's already kind of covered. I mean, it's not super covered, but for Georgia, this is crazy. This right here, this part of our neighborhood is one of Cleo's favorite places to go. Whoa! It just looks totally different for her in the snow, which is sweet. Oh my goodness, you having fun? It's currently 19 degrees out here. I don't know exactly what the feels like is, but I'm so hot. Got this balaclava and this beanie on, this crazy thick jacket, so either way, I think it's time to go have some coffee. Warm up. I think Cleo's ready to go home. Maria did not want to get out in this, so I don't blame her. It's not really her thing being cold. I am sweating so bad. If we weren't so close to the house, I'd be shedding. Hi. You having fun? Cleo has gone ahead. She's at the front door. She wants to go in.
You tired, sweet girl? I know.
Chilling by my artificial fire to warm up. Maria and I have some coffee. Cleo's chilling. It's a good day. See you guys next time.